हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू ऑल आर वेरी वेल। सो अभी मैं टॉपिक करा रहा हूँ लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर। क्लास 7th का टॉपिक है, चैप्टर 4 हीट। ओके, सो लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर क्या है एंड हाउ इट इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर। सो लेट्स राइट इट। इट इज़ द थर्मामीटर, it is the thermometer used to measure the temperature of objects, other than our body. ओके, सो ये बॉडी के अलावा जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनका टेम्परेचर ये मेजर करता है एंड इट इज़ विदाउट किंक। सो ये एक डिफरेंस पॉइंट भी आ गया कि इसका यूज़ क्या है और ये किंक के बिना होता है, राइट। सो इट्स अ डिफरेंस ऑल्सो। अब इसका रेंज क्या है? द रेंज ऑफ नॉर्मली that laboratory thermometer we use is -10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. Okay, अब we will do the differences also between the laboratory thermometer and between the clinical thermometer that we have seen before. Okay, so laboratory thermometer आपका NCERT book में है given, it is given on page number 38. Let me show it to you. This is the clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, right, this one. So you should draw this diagram. You should note it is also same like clinical one. It is made up of glass. It has this bulb which contains mercury. When it is heated, the mercury rises. See, it contains the bulb. This bulb contains the mercury. When this is heated, the mercury rises in this glass tube. Okay, and you can note down the reading, right? लेकिन इसमें किंक नहीं होता. Okay, so you have to keep it in the solution itself when you are taking the reading. So this is the precaution that we need to follow while taking a reading from the laboratory thermometer. Okay, it should be kept upright. See, it should be kept upright, not tilted, right? और ये थोड़ा सा बिगर साइज का होता है. This is much bigger in size than the clinical thermometer. One thing, and it cannot measure the body temperature. Why? Whenever you remove this, आप जैसे इसको रिमूव करेंगे, then the mercury will start dipping, वो फोल्ड हो जाएगी क्योंकि इसमें किंक है नहीं. It does not contain kink. It will start falling. That is why we need to keep it upright, right? It should be kept upright. अगर जैसे आप रिमूव करते हैं तो mercury will start falling down. Okay, and the other precautions, देखिए, see, these precautions are given on page number 39. This page it is given, right? So it should be kept upright and not tilted. Bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance of which the temperature is to be measured. Okay, so जो आपका थर्मामीटर है वो सराउंडेड होना चाहिए सॉल्यूशन से या सब्सटेंस से. It should not touch the bottom. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container. So this is very important. Okay, and these are addition to the precautions. Okay, the other precautions are also there. They are same as the clinical thermometer. For example, you can say this, that handle the thermometer with care. Do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while taking a reading. We have already seen in clinical also. The thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted. This we have seen in the NCERT also. Okay, अब आप रिमूव करते हैं from the thermometer and from the boiling water bath and immediately immersing it in an ice, then it may cause the thermometer to break. What does this mean? दिस मीन्स कि अगर आप फटाफट उसे एक बॉइलिंग वाटर में उसे मेजर करने के लिए थर्मामीटर को डालते हैं और इमीडिएटली उसको आप आइस बाथ में इमर्स कर देते हैं, तो क्या होगा, आपका थर्मामीटर ब्रेक कर जाएगा. सो कीप दैट थिंग ऑल्सो इन माइंड, राइट. And one question that I want to share with you, this is very important. As children, you may do this kind of activity. So this is question that is given over here, that do not use a clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of any object other than the human body. This is for clinical one, okay, जो डॉक्टर्स यूज़ करते हैं. सो वो सिर्फ ह्यूमन बॉडी को ही मेजर करने के लिए यूज़ कीजिए. अवॉइड कीपिंग द थर्मामीटर इन सन और नियर द फ्लेम, इट मे ब्रेक. So this is very good that this is given, okay. You should not try to measure the temperature of any other object using this clinical thermometer. For that, laboratory thermometer is already given, okay, and the precautions are also the same, and there are other precautions, that it should be kept upright, not tilted, and it should be surrounded by all sides of the substance, okay. So this is about the laboratory thermometer. In next class, we will make a tabular form and we will see the difference between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Okay, thank you.